Good afternoon. Welcome to Doctor's Risk Medico-Legal Talks. Recent update on medical negligence case
where court has awarded compensation against hospital and one of the doctor at the same time and released another doctor, which means role of each doctor is considered while deciding the matter. Let's hear from our expert advocate Dr. Arun Mishra, who appeared personally for this case.
It's my personal experience that in court of law, it's not always that all doctor is held responsible if at all medical negligence has been proved. It is very, very important to see what role doctor has played for why the treatment. In my experience, very recently, I argued the case which was filed against the corporate hospital like Godrej, where the patient got admitted to a physician with a history of fever and abdominal pain, properly treated by the doctor, and for the abdominal pain referred to multiple gastroenterologists. In the gastroenterologists have properly advised the treatment, done the sonography, accordingly given the proper treatment. Patient has taken a DAMA discharge. Thereafter, 5 days patient had not shown to any doctor, went to Bombay hospital, taken a treatment where gallstone was diagnosed according to patient. Patient was a patient of CRF, died after 6 months due to renal failure. This was the fact of the case. The patient, as relative of the patient, has filed a case for medical negligence against the corporate hospital, physician, and gastroenterologist. Gastroenterologist was a member of a doctor's risk, approached us to argue his matter in a court of law. While arguing, we could able to give a very clear demarcation about the role played by gastroenterologist while treating this patient, including the references, including the expert opinion, and also all standard protocol of treatment which been followed by these doctors. And since argument was done by medical legal expert, as terminology was well known, connectivity was all there, well explained, even the court in a very light mood has commented that even advocate can give us such a great defense in a favor of a medical matters, and that conspired in a judgment because everything was so clearly defined. The court has observed that there is no role of medical negligence placed by gastroenterologist, but definitely brought the physician and corporate hospital in the purview of the negligence and given a judgment against these two people, barring the gastroenterologist who has been relieved from the case. That is one thing which is very important in court of law. If practically medical legal experts argues the matter in the court of law, outcomes varies compared to all other factors, because where need to be spoken, what need to be spoken plays a vital role. In spite of good medical record, it need to be presented to the court, and all care has been given, need to be shown, and that is where the case has got some difference. My friend, that is the reason I always advise, be connected to medical legal experts, have a protection with medical legal service organization like Doctor says. Always choose your defender who is practically practicing in court of law, being a doctor and lawyer, presenting your case in court of law, and naturally a good professional indemnity policy for peace of mind is necessary. Thank you.
We thanks advocate Dr. Arun Mishra sir for sharing his valuable knowledge and experience to us. That's all for today's talk. Also do like, share and subscribe for regular updates.